This is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. This tutorial I'm going to show you that how to customize your Windows 11 start menu, taskbar and notification center and give it a perfect acrylic effect. So let's start. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to customize your Windows 11 and give your Windows 11 start menu, taskbar, notification center and explorer the perfect acrylic effect. First you have to go to this website and download this Windhawk. Links are given in the description box. After downloaded you have to install it. Make sure you have connected to the internet, then click on OK and install it. Installation has been completed. Click on finish and after installation you'll see an interface like this. Now we're going to install some mods. Click on browse for mods and first we're going to install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on details and install it. Okay, now go to this folder and copy this Taskbar script, then click on advanced section and paste it here, then click on save. And then we have to install taskbar height and icon size. Click on details, install it, then go to this folder again and copy this script, then click on advanced section and paste it here, then click on save. Now install Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details and install it, then go to this folder, copy start menu styler code as well and click on advanced and paste it here, then click on save. Now we have to customize our notification center as well. To customize notification center you have to install Windows 11 notification center styler. Click on details and install it, then click on settings and in here you have to select translucent shell and then click on save. Now I'm going to customize Windows 11 Explorer. To customize Explorer, first we're going to install Explorer styler. Click on details and install it. Click on settings and in here you have to select minimal Explorer 11 and save. Now we have to apply the acrylic effect on Windows 11 Explorer. You can use this tool called translucent windows, but I'm not going to install it because it has some bugs. I'm going to use Blur Mica. Cut this folder and paste it into C drive. Then go to this folder. First you have to open this config file and we have to make some changes here, and then click on file and save, and then right click on this register and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes, then click on OK. Okay, as you can see the blur effect has been added. Now I'm going to install a custom icon pack. To install the custom icon pack, first open Windhawk and search for resources redirect. Then install it. And then go to this folder again and extract these files. Then copy this folder and paste it into C drive. Then right click on this folder and then copy as path. Then open Windhawk and click on settings and paste it here. And remove this quotation mark. Then click on save. And then right click on this taskbar and open task manager. In here you have to search for Explorer. Then right click on this Windows Explorer and click on restart. So it will apply the blur effect perfectly. As you can see, few icon has been changed and few icon has not changed yet. To fix this, go to this folder again, right click on this script and then run it as administrator, then click on run and then click on yes. So it is fixed now. And this is it. This is how you can apply the perfect acrylic effect on your Windows 11 start menu, taskbar and Explorer as well. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.